In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can use ClickUp AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Now, once you're inside the main dashboard, you should see a search node right above on your main screen. And then, beside it is this Ask AI button. This is where you will have access on ClickUp's personal AI. And as you can see, this can now help you with creating, asking, and even searching all the possible actions that you can do. Right here, you see the suggested actions that it has, some of the featured actions, search actions, report actions, think, and other tools. Now, by simply clicking right here, AI or ClickUp AI would then automatically help you with that kind of task. But of course, if you have your personal inquiries, you can simply type them right here. Let's say, um, write me an essay about plague. From there, ClickUp would then provide you with whatever you ask right here. And now you can use this for your projects. Also, you can even add attachments and mentions to help you analyze those pictures with the use of ClickUp AI. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.